Another day, another deal for you guys. Let's talk about this Kraken 2.0, the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Currently, Amazon is charging $24, but you know we got the TikTok shop around here, and the TikTok shop is currently charging $19. So you can get it for $6 less, and it arrives faster than Amazon. This thing's pretty cool. I have one myself. I'm going to make a video with it pretty soon, but basically you can just crack your beers or whatever you guys are drinking, shotgun them. Easy tool instead of getting your fingers all nasty and sticky. It's a pretty easy tool. It works great, and it's pretty cheap. Good Valentine's Day gift or to put in your basket of gifts. But if you guys are looking for something for Valentine's Day, check this thing out. I'm going to put it in the TikTok shop, and you like more deals, follow me for more.